So I messed up the intro to this video. I was supposed to start off my day by giving a motivational talk about how I will go out today with the visualization of landing a trick that I've been struggling with for months. That trick is the heel flip. So I recorded the session, but I forgot to give the talk. The purpose of this video was to see if this visualization crap actually works. So I know what the outcome is, you don't. All that's missing is an awkward transition.
I've got 2 hours on the clock, so let's start off with a quick warm-up. That is my go-to warm-up trick, the ollie south. It's when you kick off your back foot. The reason being is that it helps me focus on my front foot and put emphasis on leveling out the board. As I'm running short on time, I'm going to combine some of my basic tricks. I'll start off with a frontside 180, do a half cab, and then a pop shove. Normally it takes me about an hour to warm up. I'm not really that consistent with my tricks. Believe me, I do practice them. I don't take the camera every time I go for a skate sesh. I only record when I'm trying something new or trying to land a new trick. So let's get started with the heel flip. Actually, a few trays. I had to move away from the basketball courts because people were playing basketball. Yeah, nowhere near yet. Let's see what my impossibles look like. I don't know what I did there. It could have been a 360 shove. I'm gonna try a few more and see if I can land them straight because I had to do a massive revert. A few more tries because I came out here to do heel flips, not impossibles or 360 shoves, whatever they were. It was more like a 360 shove again. Okay, maybe we'll just do the heel flips then. So yesterday night while I was in bed, I was visualizing landing this trick. I know what it takes to land it. You need to delay the flick with this side of your heel, raise up your knees so that the board can rotate under you, and you may need to hop slightly backwards. Depends on how you distribute your weight. First try. What trick do you find easier, the heel flip or the kick flip? For me, it's definitely the kick flip. What the heck did I just do? Was that an inward heel flip or a varial? Whatever it wasn't intentional. I can already tell blood, sweat and tears are going to go into this one. Ollie first, then flick. I should take a mini break, but I know what happens when I take a break. My legs start to seize up, so I'll continue. We're gonna get this. You really do have to ollie first. Like slide your foot up, then flick. Okay, I'm getting shifted again. All right, final few attempts because I need to go home and prepare for a job interview. an upcoming interview. I should really head home and practice for it. But I'm so close. To educate again. The bombs don't have bad senses. Sorry. Look at the concave. That's where you will be flicking. If you look at it, chances are you will flick it. Secondly, keep aligned with the board. Don't open up your shoulders and delay the flick. Bend my knees when I land. Major toe edge there. I did it. I know it doesn't show, but I'm really happy I got that trick. I'm just too tired to celebrate. I've got barely enough energy to end this video. As always, thank you guys for watching. I really enjoy making videos, and I hope you enjoy watching them. So until next time, wait, should try and get one more. But honestly, I'm gonna try 3 more times. 3 goes.